If your toilet faucet also very low water, then you can see here the very low pressure, then you want to solve this problem, how you can solve. And then if you want to change also the faucet to add this one to can movable, because you can see the faucet now it's too near to the wall, so we need to change the different way and then add something to get clear water. And then also the pressure also want to high, so I will do step by step, so you can also solve this kind of problem in your house easily without calling any plumber, or you can do it by yourself. So first of all, we need to open this faucet bottom cover to clean our faucet proper way, because you can see here, if my camera can show you, there are many stones to blocking the way, because you can see here the filter is too thin, so that is the main cause, is to block the water pressure. If we on now, you can see it's high pressure. Actually this only the because of the filter, the water pressure is low. So now we need to add this one, because I want to add this one to the faucet work proper way. You can see here, we put this one, and then we need to tight proper way, so it will not leak the water there. This one only I cost around 5 to 7 RMB, this kind of faucet. Now you can see here the pressure is very good. We can change also the mode. Now you can check the pressure, it's so high, and then also far from the wall, and then we can move anywhere we want. If I can zoom out, you can see it's very good pressure. So this kind of problems you can easily solve by yourself, no need to call any plumber. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.